Builderall broke a mechanism that has been working for years. It was this URL. So maybe if you are still in Builderall, as an affiliate, you remember this. It was a link that would set your affiliate cookie on Builderall and then redirect to where you want. And that was promoted as a way to set your cookie, your affiliate cookie. And now it's not working anymore. I don't know for how long because I didn't see any announcement about it. But to be truthful, uh, I'm not anymore in the loop. I'm not in the Facebook groups. But there was no announcement, at least I think. Maybe if I'm wrong, tell me. But I don't think there was any. Because there is no reason to do that, to break all the links from years ago that people were using in order to set their affiliate cookie. So now this, you see, this URL here, you have your affiliate ID, then you do a P1 is a redirect, and P2 is a destination URL. So me, I was doing a system which allow me to put any keywords, and then it will resolve. For instance, if I wanted to send my people to my YouTube channel, I will use a special link with YouTube at the end, and it will set my affiliate cookie on Builderall, and then redirect to my YouTube channel, which is talking about Builderall and other things. So now, this link, I've put it in the description of all my videos, many places. I've put my special link, which resolves to this link, which then send to my YouTube channel. And now it's not working. Look, I show you what it does now. Instead of redirecting to YouTube, it just stays on Builderall site. So it's not working anymore. Yes, it's still, thankfully, it looks like, I'm not sure because I didn't check, but it looks like it's still an affiliate link to me for Builderall. I'm not sure about it. I didn't check with the incognito window, but it looks like it. So that's the only news of this video, is that this link is not working anymore. It doesn't redirect to where you want it, which was the only goal of this link, was to set the cookie and redirect where you want. That's it. It doesn't exist for anything else. If you want an affiliate link for Builderall, for the Builderall homepage, it's another link. You don't have to use this way. So this is broken. Thank you, Builderall.